going to put the top coat on that joint up there in the ceiling. Make it a large top coat. Spread it right over everything, lay it off after. It's just sandable next to the top coat. It comes under a lot of names, finishing cement, different things. Different names. So we lay it on and lay it off. Down the edges first. Cup weekend here in Melbourne at the moment. We've done along the edges as well, and down that corner, just finish the cracks up there, and we'll mix up for the walls, will we now? Oh no, a little bit up there we got to do. Just careful about ladders. Where the plasterboard joined the solid brick quite often cracks, and we're just patching that up. We're not taping it to the wall, so that can make more trouble. And the painter can go on with no more gaps of the cracks in the future, and it's the easiest way to maintain that. Off. Scrape it off a bit. I'll give you this my scraper. That's all done here. Okay. They're the best sort to use. Long handle, yeah. ceiling finished off there. And there, ready for sanding when they're dry. Put the white, I'm just going to put the white corner cement on there. On that render. Just a second, I'll just show the mix. I've mixed it up, but we've mixed one side, we've agitated it so it's going to go off quicker than this section here, but we haven't touched much, so we'll better trowel finish it a bit. Okay, that's the mix there. One side agitated, other side sitting ready to polish off with. Away we go, eh?
Away we go.
Just don't build up too much on the paintwork, okay? Just so you can see the edges of it. That's about right, just so you can see the edges there. Yep, okay. Very good. No, you don't have to do that. Just hold the camera for a sec. You're doing like a joint. Okay. You don't have to put all that corner off. You haven't got to take it off again, okay? Just like that, so you see the outline of the joint. Okay. Do that sort of strokes here, curve.
Yep.
Okay, there you go. Thank you. Here's yours. Okay, just get it on and shape it up as it's going along. Okay. just a bit in the middle. That's going to flow that anyway. All you're going to get on is what you're going to polish up. You're going to go over another 3-4 times. Okay. Corner cement, eh? We're running out. Whoa. Dig away from there. You've got to save that bit, huh? You mix it up, you're going to run out. Always protect that bit that you've mixed in, yeah, because we'll need that for the polishing off, huh? Okay. Big area on up there. And we'll come back and polish these up in a minute. Okay. Open up. Open a bit more there if you can, please, mate. V it out, yeah. Silver brush and landed right there, never happened before. And now we're patching these up. You don't let the plaster argue with you, don't you?
Huh?
You don't let it argue with you. You're not going to go there, you're going to make it.
Can't go there for me.
Notice. You're not going to get away with nothing. Okay, are you ready to start polishing off now? Back where you started, right?
Okay. Maybe one more, a little one. You can see right there.
Now it's starting to go off. There now, hey? Yeah.
I will make it one.
Oh yeah, but you got that bit we saved in the corner.
Huh?
You got that bit we saved in the corner. That's where you're going to make it.
Just put on it.
You don't need, maybe, is it a brick wall?
Yeah.
No, you probably need to open that one up a bit with a hammer. I'll get the hammer for you.
Yeah.
The ones around doors and windows, that's where, just open that up a bit if you can. Right. Back to the bricks there, if you can.
Yeah.
It doesn't have to be big, but
very solid.
let's have a look there. Right, we want to go back there now. Stanley knife to rest out, and dig deep if you can. You want a bit of strength there, you know. Get your shoulders behind the Stanley knife. Better. You got to give them half a chance to crack so not to come back, you know. Yep. Bit of a wet down. Just give it a dust out too if you can. Get rid of the rubbish, bit of rubbish out of it. Good.
Just need to get my base.
Agitating a bit, make it go off. Just set a bit quicker. Okay. Let's give it a start. Let's start polishing.
Use a block.
Huh? Hey.
Brush.
You're not doing the dishes, mate. Put a bit of a splash, that's all. No brushing. Just use the big brush, a solid plaster brush, you know. That's enough. You got enough water there.
So what are you going to do now?
Start polishing. Just put a bit. No. All you do. You just splash a bit on. You don't drown it. That's enough. No more water. Just put a bit on your trowel and start troweling. You just take that in one hand and a bit of corner cement in your trowel. No, you don't use that. Not for polishing.
Hey, keep it wet again.
No, don't worry about that much. We'll clean the trout. But you still look like you're doing a joint. You just work it up, that's all you do, okay? None of these big strokes. Just
Little small.
you better have a look, I think. You hold that.
Little small ones, okay.
Just there, that solid plaster. Enough water on your nose, you don't need any more for the trowel to flow there. Get your shoulder behind it, okay? Just stand like that, okay?
Okay. Just break it back a bit higher and closer. Keep that there, that's it. We've got the rest.
You just put a little flow.
Throw it out.
What's going on, right?
It's all done.
Yeah. Okay, I'll let you do the top. You're in charge now.
No problem.
Yeah.
I've worked it off this one.
Okay. Nearly finished. No. Have a polish and I'll be pretty well done. those bags. Go on, keep going. It'll take you a long while to get out of the habit of doing them like that. Just normally smaller strokes for the solid it is. And Z is just starting doing solid. And just making a few tips, giving them a few tips. You're leaving too much those trowel lines behind you. You're not supposed to do that.
Stuff like that.
Well, you've got to control the plaster on your trowel so you don't leave those lines. And it's not by taking all the plaster off your trowel. A bit of a challenge for you, isn't it?
It's something different. Don't worry, I'll be there.
I know you'll get there. Just do a little bit, finish it, and move on to the next bit.
Yep, I know.
Now you're picking it up. You know why you're picking it up. I'll show you why you're picking it up. I'll take this. You hold the camera. Yeah, I'll show you. I'll tell you actually why you got plaster from there to there. If you put a stroke there, that's cleaning it off.
Clean it up.
And you're getting it back in the centre. A controllable. See, you just keep on going like that all day. Always, when you put it back on, like that.
Down and then push it up. Yep.
You don't have to do a big stroke. Too simple, isn't it?
Similar.
Yeah, I noticed you're doing it. You worked it out what to do in the end, didn't you? You got to get your shoulder behind it. There you go. I saw you take it off a trowel.
I can cheat some.
Yeah, I know. Picking it up well. The different actions for doing plasterboard and for doing solid plaster. And towards the end you have less on your trowel, so you don't need much in your trowel. A good example of someone going from plasterboard to solid. Okay, you still got to come back to it, don't forget there, for final polish. It's getting pretty close now. Cleaning up. Just a little bit towards the end. No, 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 only half that. No, no. Too much. Too much. Put it on, but you only need half of it for it. It doesn't take much plaster. But always start where you go around the circle. You start.
I need to start from the top and you finish from the top.
There? Oh, yeah. Okay. You haven't gone over that one yet, have you? Closing it back flat a bit. You get right in that corner, see the little hole there. Okay. Back to the beginning of that. Final polish. Don't need too much water. Okay, that's not too bad. And skimmer penny bond, top coat. Very good. That's okay. You're going to give him a skim of any top coat anyway, aren't you? Yeah. Always gets a bit of. You do a good job with the corner cement, but always better a very fine skim of top coat and sand off with painted walls anyway. I think you're running out there.
Looks like I need some more.
Yeah. That's pretty close with those. We'll come back with a top coat. Just putting a very, very fine skim of the top coat on there. It's not a plaster, it's acrylic sort of base or silica and clay, and sands up well and finishes off the joint well for the plaster. Yeah. Okay, just hold that camera for a second, okay? Thanks, yeah. I'll hold the trowel. Yeah, thanks. It's important to keep putting water on. You've got no water there?
Yep, I was going to polish it out, yep.
Yep, you've got to put it on first so you don't build it out. And down right around the outside of it, okay?
Yep.
Nice finish on the paint. Yeah. Keep it nice and runny, the top coat too. Good. Oh, a little bit excess there, but just go right around the outside of it a bit, because you've got to feather it, yeah. Okay. Don't worry about too much. You're going to sand off pretty easy anyway. Okay, we'll do it at the top maybe, and or you got to do that one, do you? No, but you just use it like a paintbrush in the last coat, really. You just go down where the plaster meets the paintwork, okay? Like in there. You've got to keep topping it up with water though. It's just a very, very fine skin. Okay. I use a 6-inch scraper a fair bit when I'm putting the top coat on as well, sort of handy. Top bit. Trowelling fibrous plaster was like this too. You build it up a little. Yeah, if it gets runny, you just put less water on, that's all you do. Yeah, firm up a bit. See that big spot above the window there? I think it's lunchtime after that.
I love this time of the day.
Hey?
I love this time of the day.
Yeah, at lunchtime, that's a good time. Letting it down a bit, the edges. The fibrous, when you're doing fibrous plaster, you have to use the brush a lot too. Careful on that ladder, don't push out too much on the wall. Okay, well that's pretty well wet. Nearly everything done in the room. Ceiling repaired. And the walls patched. Watch that ladder. Okay, well done.